everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DBS transactions not showing. First, go ahead and close the app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, swipe it away, closing it completely. Wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then, sometimes the app does not refresh automatically, so recent transactions may not appear. Next, check your internet connection and log back in to refresh your and make sure that it is stable. Then log out of your account and log back in to refresh your account's data. Then make sure the Digibank app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. Keep in mind that some transactions may take time to process, especially bank transfers, so wait a while and check again. Now, if the transaction does not appear, contact DBS customer support for help. That's how you fix the DBS transaction not showing. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.